home remedies with outstanding effect of removing spots and freckles. These natural whitening agents are always available, but we recommend using them at night as much as possible. This is because when exposed to ultraviolet rays, freckles may increase. Freckles are pretty when you are young, but their appearance can cause anxiety for some. However, freckles in adulthood can make your face look older than you are, and even dangerous if the appearance of the freckles themselves change. So, in this video, I will introduce a natural remedy that helps to remove spots and freckles without side effects and brighten the skin color. Be careful of such signs. Freckles and blemishes on the face are usually areas of cosmetic problems. However, be careful if you notice any changes in size, shape, or color, or if you have symptoms such as pain or discomfort when you touch it. In these cases, you should stop using any therapy and see a specialist as soon as possible. Those who are at higher risk are those who are originally fair-skinned and prone to freckles, and those who are often exposed to UV rays. The best cure for age spots and freckles is to avoid the cause. First, from prevention. Excessive sunlight. Always wear sunscreen, hats or parasols or sunglasses if needed that match your skin type when you go out. Also, avoid sunbathing afternoon when the sun is strong. Hormonal changes during pregnancy. Freckles are often formed during pregnancy due to the increased production of melanin pigments. In some cases, it disappears after pregnancy. Use of oral contraceptives. Oral contraceptives also change hormone levels in the same way as pregnancy, so freckles may occur. However, it seems that there are many cases where it disappears after treatment. Chronic acne. Chronic acne leaves a mark and can cause pigmentation if left untreated. Aging. Aging itself is unavoidable, but if nutritional deficiencies, dry skin, exposure to climate changes, and skin diseases continue for a long period of time, it will adversely affect the health and appearance of the skin and accelerate aging. Lemon with plenty of vitamin C. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, so it is used as an ingredient in whitening cream. Soak cotton with fresh lemon juice and apply to freckles and stains. You can also rub the inside of the lemon zest against your skin, then let it dry naturally. Rosehip to adjust skin color. Rosehip oil is the best natural cosmetic to tone your skin, ideal for both light and dark spots. Apply pure rosehip oil to your skin twice a day without diluting. Store in a dark glass bottle that can be sealed so the ingredients of the oil are not damaged. Strawberry face pack. The bright red and delicious strawberries also contain abundant ingredients such as the vitamin C and polyphenol that are good for the skin and have a whitening effect that gradually makes dark spots on the skin less noticeable. It takes a little more effort than lemon or rosehip oil, but the effect is outstanding. Here are 2 ways to use strawberries. Put a crushed strawberries on your skin and leave it for 1 hour. Run this face pack once a week, or put the crushed strawberries in an ice tray, freeze them, and when they harden, pick one up and rub it on your skin. It's very convenient because you can use it anytime. Aloe vera for acne. Aloe vera's natural gel is perfect for those suffering from chronic acne as it has bactericidal and anti-inflammatory properties. What's more, aloe vera's gel contains ingredients that have healing and moisturizing effect. In other words, it not only soothes red acne and makes acne scars less noticeable, but it also makes the skin less prone to acne. Apply to your skin about twice a day. Please note, do not use any of the natural whitening agents listed here before you are exposed to the sun.